Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's session, I am going to show you how to draw and color very favorite Indian snack samosas. So this is my eighth video in my food series, and as I mentioned before that I'll be changing the technique little bit. So instead of starting the drawing with a basic sketch with pencil, I'm actually applying a very thin coat of colors like this very dark like burnt sienna and little bit of lemon yellow. I'm applying this thin coat of color as a base, as a primary like a coat to my rolled canvas. I'm not using any paintbrush to spread the color. Instead, I'm using a sponge. So it's giving a very unique and very different texture to my canvas. And once that coat is completely dry, then I'm doing the sketch with white marker. Once my sketch is completely done, I'm going to start with the brown color, that is burnt sienna. And when I think about samosa, actually, the two shades that come into my mind, like brown and ochre, and in between brown and ochre, all kinds of like tonal gradation. But here, for doing samosa, I've actually used couple of orange and couple of red tints also, because I thought, why just make a very like a sad looking samosa, let's add some sparkle of colors. So I started with the burnt sienna. Actually, I made sure that all my darker areas were covered before applying the yellow ochre shade. So burnt sienna was little bit I did not use any water, like I did not mix it with any water. I directly applied the color, very thick coat, and immediately I made the next shade, that is yellow ochre plus burnt sienna. And then I kept on making little bit lighter shades. As you can see, I've also added little bit of orange, actually orange plus yellow, and I've used bit of lemon yellow for the highlighted part. And now I'm actually using a very dark, like a proper like black color. Don't use it too much of black color, because then it will be all black everywhere. I'm only giving it for that that shadow effect, because I wanted to show that highlighted area to be very bright and white. So to pop that out, I am giving this the shadow sections, very dark black color, but I'm going to apply little bit of burnt sienna and little bit of yellow ochre over it once my this highlighted is done. So as you can see, in this way I completed samosas. So for the plate I used shades of black and white, and in between all kinds of grays. And for the background I'm going to use yellow, red, and honestly whatever color is left in my palette, I'm going to just apply those in the background. And here one thing I want to tell you is, even when I'm doing this samosa, and I know when samosa, I think about samosa, the color of the samosa is this brown and ochre. But as an artist you can totally add any color that you want and make that samosa. Maybe I can add some shades of blue also, not like a navy blue or sky blue, not like that. I could use blue and mix it with whatever primary shades that I'll be using for samosa, right? Like ochre or yellow or orange, or here I've also used like burnt sienna. So all these shades can be used in blue and plus white, and you can just give just the dash of color here and there, and then the same brush you can just apply in the background or around the dish. So that way you'll think that the shade is getting reflected from the surrounding. And also the white color that I used for this, it is like I did not use even a drop of water in it. Even for the highlighted section of in the background and for the dish, I directly use that color as it was from the tube. And most of this part I used a flat filbert brush. So if you have worked with the filbert brush, you will know that it doesn't really have a very nice pointy edge. It has like the bristles are too hard. But when you use filbert brush, you will know that it has a very unique and very green texture it gives to the canvas. So practice using this brush and practice some strokes like on a simple canvas, and then try to use it in the background. Because at it, as I told you, it doesn't have a proper point, and the bristles are too hard. So they tend to go outside the border if you don't know how to maneuver your brush. So in this way I almost completed my samosas, and a little bit of highlight here and there. For the red ketchup it is just red color, and then for the highlight I've only did some dots over it with white. And I'm also showing some like green dhania, like cilantro over it. So I added little bit of cilantro like a green color here and there. So in this way I completed samosas on a plate. I hope you learned something today. Until next time, stay creative, my friends. Bye.